this palette. Hello and welcome to my channel, Joyce's Affordable Glam Life 360, or just Joyce. I received my Boxycharm in the mail, not yesterday, but the day before. And so I want to do a unboxing on what I received in my box. So if you would like to see what I received, then keep on watching. Okay, so Boxycharm. This is what the box looks like. It is a little bit bigger than what it has been the past couple of months, so that's exciting. Also, the price point, it used to be $21 a month, now it's up to $25 a month. So it's once a month, but you get full-size products. And I believe it used to be 4 to 5 products. Now they guarantee you 5 full-size products. So I think that's a great deal once a month, and to try out new products. I think it's a really good deal. So anyway, let's get started and see what's inside my box. So the first thing that you pull out is the card. And this month it says Boxycharm Stellar is what it is. And the number I received is number 11. It's right down in that corner usually. And you open it up and then it shows you all the products that you received, and then it also will give you a code that you can use and some % off of certain things. And then the back, it'll show you that you can get Boxy Luxe, you can get Boxy Pop-Up, which is 80% off of certain products certain times of the month. I think it's if I'm not mistaken, it's every 3 months, and it's always on a certain date. And then it'll also show that they have a complexion customization now, because they're going to start putting foundation and I believe concealer. So they want to know what your complexion is like to give you the right color for your foundation or concealer. So anyway, so that's really exciting that they're doing that too. I'm okay with the price point going up, because if they're going to guarantee me certain products and the products are going to be even better than what it's been, even though it's been really good, I feel, in my opinion, I'm still excited about it. So anyway, let's get started. So the first thing on the card says I received a Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. So Dominique is a YouTuber here, and she I believe has her own line now in different I think there's a bigger palette. I think this is the mini palette from one of her other ones. But let's read what the card says. It says Celestial Thunder is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look, or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. Full price would be $35. And then it also will give you a hashtag so you can look it up. So this is what the palette, it was in the foam that they put in your box usually. It was wrapped up in this, so that was really good, the way that it was sent. And then it had plastic like this, and as everybody knows, I can never resist, and I always have to open it first before I do a video, so keep that in mind. And the palette looks like this. I think it's really nice packaging. Again, packaging for me is not like a do or die, you know, it's great, but you know, if the packaging isn't that great but the product inside is fabulous, who cares, right? But if we're talking about packaging, I think it's a really nice packaged palette. And it says Celestial Thunder, so that's cool. And then the 8 shadows comes with a mirror, which is really another plus. And then these are the shadows, and I think the shadows are gorgeous. Very, very pretty. And yes, I did do a look yesterday with this palette, and I dipped into this color, which is called Storm Dust, and I was like, uh-oh, because I dipped in a little more than I should have, and it was a lot. I had to make sure I blended, which was great. I mean, I don't think that's a bad thing. It's just be careful if you do use this palette when you dip into it, because it is pigmented. So that's very exciting to get a palette like that. So I am excited for this palette alone, and it's $35, and I paid $25 for the whole box. So that's, you're doing pretty well right there, right? But the next thing is, I think it's called Kypris. Please let me know if I'm saying that wrong. It's Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. And it says, antioxidant dew lavishes skin with quenching, encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Use as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skin care wardrobe. And the price for this is $90. So full price is $90. And did I say that palette was full size? I meant full price would be $35 for the eye palette. And then this Kypris spray is $90, which, holy cow, that is an expensive product. And this product, I put it down here. This is what I picked. So you'll get, before they send it out, they'll ask you, I think that's a new thing now too. They'll ask you, they'll give you like 3 different choices, I believe, 2 or 3 different choices, and you get to pick one for your box. And this is the one I tried, or I picked. I wasn't familiar, or not that I wasn't familiar, but I just wanted to try something different. And so I've never tried an antioxidant dew like this before, so I thought, let's try it. I know I've got skin issues, very sensitive skin, so I'm hoping this product is gonna work. We'll see. But you know, it was what the 3 to pick from. This is the one I picked. So, but the box is nice. It comes like that. And then the spray inside. Oh, is it a spray or is it a dropper? Hold on, let's see. Let's open it. But the box is, I mean, the pictures of this did not do it justice in terms of how nice the jar is, and it feels like it's glass, and it looks like that. It's really nice. I like it. Okay, it's a dropper, so it's like that. So that'll be interesting to use. I don't know why I thought it was a spray. Is it because it said that? No, it said serum. I don't know. Who knows where I got that from, but well, oh well. But it's really nice. So I haven't tried it yet. I'm going to try it tonight when I wash all my face off, because you can do it at night or during the day, I think, twice a day. Let's read the directions. Where does it say directions? Here. Apply several drops of antioxidant dew to clean skin morning and night. For best results, combined with a Kypris Beauty Elixir. Okay, well, I don't have that, but I'm going to try and add this to my skin routine and see what happens. It's always better for me to do one thing than try to do a lot of things at once, because then I don't know which one broke out my skin. So I'm only going to do this with the other products that I always use and see how it goes. I'll let you know. Okay, so that was that. So $90 was for this full price, and then $35 for this full price. So we're doing pretty good right now. Okay, the next thing, which I was really excited about, is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. It says, our liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelopes lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. Full price would be $18. So the color also that I received was called Nude Mood. So it looks like this. Dose of Colors. Looks like that. This is the color, which everybody knows. It's a color that I really like. And then, isn't that a nice package too? Again, if we're talking about packaging, I like the package. And then it has a doe foot applicator, which is like that. And here's the color. You know, I'm not a fan of this hand because of that scar I have, but we'll do it like that. It's so pretty. It's a nude, as it says, nude mood. That's the color. And I wore this yesterday and I loved it. It is a comfortable matte finish. It is true what they say about it. And I just need to get a tissue to make sure I don't get it on anything. It stayed on pretty much all day, and I went to work with it on, and the only it faded maybe in the afternoon, but that was after I ate and I wiped my mouth with a napkin, so it kind of rubbed off. But otherwise it's pretty long lasting, and it does feel good on your lips, and I did not feel that it was drying on my lips, so that's another plus. Okay, the next thing is Pop Band Starry Eyes Pop Masks set of 2. So this is what I received, these Starry Eye masks, which when I read the description, I'm very intrigued by these. But let me read you what it says. Okay, so it says, these self-heating pop masks will encourage circulation around the eye area and aid in deep puffing and relaxing. You may find that they can help ease migraines, plus because I still have migraines, soothe dry eyes, and support restful sleep. Once the pouch is open, the eye mask will start to gently warm. Pop the loops around your ears, sit back, and relax. Full price is $10. So I'm kind of intrigued to try these and see how they work. And I do get migraines. I think it's hormonal, but I'm not, but you know, migraines are migraines. I don't get them as much as I used to, but I still get them every once in a while. And so I would love to try these when I do have a migraine to see how it works. So I don't think I'm going to use them until that happens, which I hope it never happens, but I'm going to at least save one just in case. Anyway, last thing in my box, it's Boxycharm 2-piece brush kit. So they come in a it's a nice package, the way it comes. And these are exclusive to Boxycharm. So it says, I'm going to move the box because I am losing room here. Okay, it says, create your favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids. So there's 2 sizes. Here's the large one and here's the smaller one. So the large one, it says, is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush, which I believe is this one, has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty free. And the full price would be $35. So I know some people are like, oh, I don't like them or I don't use them. I'm kind of excited to try these, and they are really soft. And I feel they're pretty dense. So I don't know. I think it might work really well. This large one, I don't know, but the smaller one, I think I'm excited to try foundation because I'm a brush fan. I love brushes more than I love sponges. So I know a lot of people on here love their sponges, love their beauty blenders or other sponges, and I'm not a fan. They're okay, it's just not what I prefer. And it's just my opinion for myself. I prefer a brush, so you know how it is. But anyway, I'm gonna try and do a video soon using the lipstick and the eyeshadow palette and the brushes, I think. So see how they work in action. So anyway, that is what I received in my Boxycharm box for this month. And I am going to tell you my very, very honest opinion. I am very happy with this box. I feel like in my own opinion, since the start of Boxycharm for me, since subscribing, I feel like every month the box has gotten better and better. So last month was awesome with the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. I'm in love. And I got an iconic lip gloss that I love. And now this month with the Dose of Colors full-size lip liquid lip, awesome. The Dominique palette is awesome. I mean, I know I say awesome a lot, don't I? It's just me. That's the word. When I'm like so ecstatic, awesome just comes to mind. So I'm really happy with that. And the brushes, I'm excited to try a different style of brush, a different shape, and see how it goes. And then this Kypress, like $90 is full price. And so this is a full size. So I'm thinking it's going to last a very long time. So, and if it works great, then yay, you know. And then the Starry Eye masks is something different again that I wouldn't go to the store and see it and say, I'm going to buy that, you know. I'd be like, oh, cool, but do I really need it? But it came in my box, so I'm going to try it. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up. It helps me out. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, will you please consider subscribing? And if you already are subscribed to my channel, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for your love and your support. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.